Welcome to the land of ice and fire, Greenland, one of the most untouched, surreal, and breathtaking destinations in the world. If you're looking for a once-in-a-lifetime adventure in 2025, Greenland is the place to be. From gigantic glaciers to hidden Viking ruins, this Arctic wonderland will leave you speechless. Stay tuned as we dive into the best places to visit, thrilling activities, and insider travel tips. Greenland, the world's largest island, is one of the last truly wild places on Earth. With over 80% of its land covered in ice, this Arctic paradise offers extreme landscapes, untouched beauty, and experiences you won't find anywhere else. But don't be fooled by the ice. Greenland is bursting with life, from majestic whales and polar bears to rich Inuit culture and history. If you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or someone looking to escape into a world completely different from the ordinary, then this destination should be at the top of your list. Let's start our journey in Ilulissat, a breathtaking coastal town that offers one of the most incredible sights in the Arctic, the Ilulissat Icefjord. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to one of the most active glaciers in the world. Towering icebergs break off and drift into Disko Bay, creating a landscape that looks like it belongs on another planet. The best way to experience this is by taking a boat tour, where you'll glide past these massive ice formations, listening to the eerie cracks and crashes as new icebergs are born. If you visit in the summer, the midnight sun bathes the entire fjord in a golden glow, making it one of the most magical sights on Earth. For those visiting in winter, Ilulissat transforms into a frozen wonderland. You can embark on a traditional dog sledding adventure across the ice-covered terrain, guided by experienced Inuit mushers. These huskies have been used for transportation in the Arctic for centuries, and riding a sled through the silent, snow-covered landscapes is a deeply immersive experience. And if you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of the northern lights dancing over the icy expanse. From Ilulissat, let's head to Nuuk, the capital of Greenland. Nuuk may be one of the smallest capital cities in the world, but don't let its size fool you. It's a place where ancient traditions meet modern life. Walking through the city, you'll see a mix of historic wooden houses and contemporary buildings set against a backdrop of towering mountains. One of the must-visit spots here is the National Museum of Greenland, where you can learn about the island's rich Inuit heritage. You'll see artifacts that date back thousands of years, including perfectly preserved mummies from the Thule culture. Nuuk is also home to a thriving arts and food scene. Stop by one of the local cafes and try a cup of Greenlandic coffee, a delicious mix of hot coffee, whiskey, Kahlua, and whipped cream. And if you're feeling adventurous, taste some of Greenland's traditional cuisine, like smoked musk ox, reindeer, or freshly caught Arctic char. For outdoor lovers, Nuuk offers incredible hiking trails, including routes that lead to the iconic Surmitsiaq Mountain. Kayaking is also a popular activity here, and paddling through the Nuuk fjord while surrounded by steep cliffs and floating icebergs is an unforgettable experience. Next, let's venture to one of Greenland's hidden gems, Disko Island. Unlike most of Greenland, which is covered in ice, Disko Island has a unique volcanic landscape, complete with dramatic black sand beaches and towering basalt columns. The island's main settlement, Kangerlussuaq, is a charming little town with colorful houses and welcoming locals. But the real magic of Disko Island is in the water. This is one of the best places in the world for whale watching. In the summer months, you can see humpback whales, minke whales, and even the elusive blue whale swimming close to shore. Imagine standing on the beach and watching these massive creatures breaching in the icy Arctic waters. It's a sight that will stay with you forever. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate Arctic adventure, you have to visit Kangerlussuaq. This town is the gateway to one of Greenland's most awe-inspiring natural wonders, the Greenland ice sheet. Covering over 1.7 million square kilometers, this massive ice sheet is the second largest in the world, and stepping onto it is like walking on another planet. You can join an expedition to hike across the ice, explore deep crevasses, or even try ice climbing. For thrill seekers, snowmobiling across the frozen tundra is an adrenaline-pumping way to experience the Arctic wilderness. But Kangerlussuaq isn't just about ice. It's also one of the best places in the world to see the northern lights. Because of its stable weather and lack of light pollution, the auroras here are incredibly vibrant. Imagine standing in complete silence, surrounded by endless snow and ice, while waves of green and purple light dance across the sky. It's one of the most magical experiences you can have in Greenland. Before you start planning your trip, here are some important travel tips. The best time to visit Greenland depends on what you want to experience. If you want to see the midnight sun, go hiking, and enjoy whale watching, visit in the summer between June and August. If you're looking for northern lights, dog sledding, and extreme Arctic adventures, winter from November to March is the best time to go. Getting to Greenland is easier than you might think. The main entry points are through Denmark and Iceland, with flights available from Copenhagen and Reykjavik. Once you're in Greenland, most travel is done by boat or small domestic flights, as there are very few roads connecting towns. Be prepared for remote travel. It's all part of the adventure. Packing for Greenland is all about layering. Even in the summer, temperatures can be chilly, so bring warm, waterproof clothing. A good pair of insulated boots is a must, especially if you're planning on hiking. And don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture every stunning moment of this Arctic paradise. Greenland is one of the last true wildernesses on Earth, offering breathtaking landscapes and unforgettable adventures. Whether you're chasing the northern lights, kayaking through icebergs, hiking on ancient glaciers, or meeting the incredible people who call this land home, Greenland is unlike anywhere else in the world. If you're looking for a travel experience that will change the way you see the world, put Greenland on your 2025 bucket list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic travel content. Have you ever been to Greenland, or is it on your dream destination list? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next adventure.